Hi queen, hi kings, hi home girl, hi home boy. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Lola. Today we'll be crimping this 28 inches wig, and that was the before, and this is the after of the wig. And let's get into business. But before then, sis, bros, please click the subscribe button, turn on your notification, like this video and share with your friends. Okay, I will really appreciate it. That will really make my day. Okay, all right, let's get things started. So I am parting the hair, and I did not section the hair. I just went from the back, the two tracks at the back, and I straightened it out. That crimper was I just got it from tjmaxx, and I was trying to see how the wave is going to look like, if I'm going to like it or not. And I tested it out, and let's see if we are going to like it or not. After I did that try, I mean the first part, I realized I did not like the wave. That was not the wave I was looking for. This is not what I was bargaining. So I'm like, okay, let me try the second one, because I got two. Actually, they were on sale, and so I bought two. And when I realized I did not like this one, I changed into the next one, and you see very soon. Okay, so here I went back in with the other crimper, because I did not like the type of wave that one was giving me. That was too it is not just the wave I was looking for. I was looking at something that has like the deep wave kind of look, but that one was not giving me that kind of deep wave. The one good thing about this crimper is that you can adjust this crimper. You can make the barrel bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make it tinier. It has so many options for you. You can adjust this crimper. That is one really good thing I love about this one. And I also love the fact that it is even more hotter than the pink one. So I forgot to mention, when you section your hair, when you part it, always use heat protectant. Heat protectant will always help your hair to last longer, because if you don't, because you're using hot tool, it's going to decrease the longevity of the hair. I went ahead and also used some spray gel. That you can use any brand of your choice, and the reason why I use that is because I want the cream or the wave to last longer than a day or two, and it actually did. It lasts longer than what I was expecting. At the end of the video, I wore the wig, and the video was actually that was the fourth time I'm going to wear that wig. So for you to see how long the crimp eventually stayed after I crimped it the first time. So I give it to the crimper, and I also give it to the spray gel. Okay, so I think that is it, and let's see how it goes. I also need to mention you make sure you comb your hair. Comb it to make sure it is smooth because of all those short hair in the middle, and also to give it like a very very professional look and vibe. And also okay, we should you should make sure everything goes smooth. Make sure it is in one direction. And what I'm trying to say is, when you place your barrel in the first line, make sure you follow that sequence. Yeah, that is the word. Is follow the sequence. If you don't follow the sequence, everything will be all over the place. That is what I'm saying. Like this one, I place it at the root, and instead of skipping the next one, you need to watch the way I place the barrel. The next barrel, you see, I place it right on. Yes, that is the sequence I'm talking about. If you don't do that, then your wave will be all over the place. Place it on the last. Yes, perfect. Perfect. This is gonna take a while. This is not just a 10 minute thing. It's going to take a while because you need to wait for few seconds for the tool, the crimper, to get hot and form that wave. So you need to be patient. You don't do it the day you want to go out in the next 10 minutes. It's not going to work out. You have to do it ahead because this takes time. I promise you, this takes a lot of time. So this is the same thing I did right here. The next one, the more you do this, the more you perfect your skill. The more I do this, the more I love it, the more I love it. So I was so excited. You can see me dancing there. So I work my way to the top. I cannot document all this because it's going to take the whole day. So I mean, this is just the way I went track by track. Then I walked my way to the top, and I really loved it. I really really loved it. It came out so so perfect, like the wave I was looking for. Okay, so this is the fourth time I'm actually wearing this wig. The fourth time, and this is within, I think, in 3 weeks I wore it 4 times, and you can still see the wave. Thank you so much for watching this channel. I really appreciate your effort. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification button, and also send this to your friend. Love you.